Welcome back to EsmeraleesCreations. Today we have for you the April 2023 Bargain Bead Box. The theme for this month is Spring Blossoms, and the description reads as follows. This springtime collection is bursting into bloom with gemstones including pink rose quartz and green peridot, matte pink aventurine, gold finish hematite leaves, pastel crystals, and glass complete the palette, along with a set of high-quality findings. Highlights include a pair of carved rose quartz rose beads, adorable enameled wreath drops, and articulated flower links.
Hey guys, how are you today? I hope you all doing good. And please share this video so we continue growing. And we're going to start with number 1, and that is?
Number 1 is a 7.5 inch strand of 10mm matte pink aventurine brown beads.
And I love matte beads. They look so pretty and stunning. And look at this. They always send you a string that you can just make a simple bracelet. But they are very in, and they never goes out of style. And number 2 is?
Number 2 is a 15-inch strand of peridot gemstone chip beads.
Wow, I love them. They're so tiny but beautiful, and the color is stunning. And this is enough to make a 16-inch necklace, and I will do that with this because I love chip necklaces. Very pretty. And number 3 is?
Number 3 is a 14-inch strand of 3.5 by 3mm crystal faceted rondelle beads, a pastel mix.
Yes, they mixed pastel colors and they did a good job. Beautiful. Look, that combination. I just in love with them. Beautiful, beautiful. And number 4 is?
Number 4 is a 14.5-inch strand of 6mm frosted glass beads, pink ombre gold.
Very nice. These are transparent, very pretty, and again, they give you enough to make a very simple necklace. And that way you have 1, 2, 3 necklaces so far. They're doing really good lately with the amount of beads that they send you. Very, very nice. And number 5 is?
Number 5 is a 15-inch strand of 8mm rose quartz brown beads.
Beautiful. This is another necklace. So now you can have 4 simple necklaces if you want. And if you don't want to do very complicated design. And this is so pretty. Very, very nice. Number 6 is?
Number 6 is a 24.5mm handmade lampwork glass pink flower bead.
Wow. On camera, it look a little more transparent, but it's like very nice, pale pink. Very pretty and very detailing. You can really admire the details on the camera, but it's very, very nice. Love it. Number 7.
Number 7 is made of hypoallergenic stainless steel, and it's 4 15 by 10mm 24-karat gold-plated stainless steel leatherback ear wires.
I love this one because I don't like them when they sometimes get out of your earlobe. So this is very nice to have. I love them. This is one of my favorite ones. And number 8 is?
Number 8 is 1 meter of 2.5mm 18-karat gold-plated hypoallergenic stainless steel jewelry chain.
Yeah, and this is like a soft gold. Like, it's not shiny at all. It's very dull, but very pretty. And the link is a very pretty link, and it's like a a small size, like very nice. And number 9 is?
Number 9 is 26mm synthetic hematite man-made leaf beads, golden.
Very nice. It's just very pretty. You can use them on spacers to space the beads, like in between. You can use them like that. Very nice to have. It's a very small amount, but it's so you can use it for that. It's number 10 is?
Number 10, two 14mm natural rose quartz carved rose beads.
Very pretty. Once again, the camera doesn't do justice for it. The details, the carved is so pretty, and the rose is a pale rose. It is more dull than this one. This is like bright, and this is dull. Very nice. And number 11 is?
Number 11, 10 grams of 5.5 by 2mm corrugated roundel beads, which are lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free, golden color.
And this is like shiny gold. This is very pretty. And this you can use a spacer too in between. If you're going to do like a simple necklace, you can use it with this one too. Look at that. Look at that. That's very pretty. Very, very pretty. And number 12 is?
Number 12, 36mm leaf bead caps, which are also lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free.
And it's so pretty. Look at the details. And it's thick. It's not a thin material. It's thick material. It doesn't have a lot of weight into it, but it's very pretty. And the details are stunning. Very pretty. And this is a shiny gold too. Number 13.
13, two 20 by 21mm flower and bead enameled wreath charms made of gold finished pewter alloy, just like number 11 and 12.
How stunning. Look how pretty. They have a lot of details. They have a little bead over here, flowers. It has stones. Beautiful. It have a little loop over here that you can use as earrings, but they are the same size. So if you use it as earrings, the flower would be on the same size. But you can also use it as the middle of the necklace. Like you can hang things here and make different things. Very nice, very nice. And number 14.
Number 14 is two 58 by 15mm nickel-free 18-karat gold-plated brass 5-flower articulated links.
Wow, look at this. This is so pretty as it is. You can just add the little level back, and then there you go. You have an earring set. They are very good helping you design your design. I'm sorry. Number 15.
Number 15, two sets of 30.5 by 22mm 18-karat gold-plated toggle clasps, which are made of gold-finished pewter alloy.
Look at that. Look how long is this, and beautiful. I love it. Beautiful, beautiful. Toggle clasps are my favorite too. Number 16.
Number 16 is a 5-inch strand of 3.5mm peridot microfaceted natural round beads.
They're so tiny but so pretty. That color is stunning. I'm in love with it. And you can use these to do different stuff. Like if you go to two videos before, we made a headband with so little tiny beads like this. And it is so nice to have small ones. You can create anything. And number 17 is
Number 17 is a 35 by 31 millimeter rose quartz faceted round natural pendant with brass.
it is pretty. It is flat in the back and then it's like 3D dimensional on the front. It is very, very pretty. Very, very nice. And the gold detail is like in a soft side. It's not that shiny. It's very pretty.
And this was everything in the April 2023 Bargain Bead Box. Stick around because coming up we have a few of the pieces we created using these same items. Don't forget to click that thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.